Okay folks, so we're on the subject of tracking your food this week, okay, and today we're just going to look at sort of weighing out your food, okay. Now obviously you don't need to weigh all items. If it's a pre-packaged meal that you can just scan the barcode of, then you can just scan it into MyFitnessPal. So we tend to really only weigh out things where we don't really know what's in them or what portions they're in. So it tends to be more like raw ingredients and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's have a look at this and show you an example. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we've got our little digital food scale here, and we're going to turn it on. Okay, I would recommend that you get some handy sized bowls which fit pretty well onto your scale. Okay, so we're going to sit the bowl on the scale and then zero the scale. Okay, you just press the on button on this scale again, it zeros the scale. Okay, so from there we're going to put our ingredients in. Okay, so we've got my favourite cereal, Cheerios here. Okay, we're going to put that in. Okay, we're going to measure out whatever we want. Okay, I'm going to go for about 60 grams. There's 61, that's good enough. Okay, so we'll get 61 grams of Cheerios. Now we're going to put the milk in. Okay, so we're going to zero the scale again. Scale goes back to zero and we're going to put some milk in. Okay. Okay, normally I would use red milk, but I've only got some blue here. Okay, milk's going in, just put in a reasonable amount that you want. Okay, that looks about right for me. That's 166 grams of milk. Okay, now with your liquids like milk, 166 grams is basically going to mean 166 millilitres. Okay, it's just really the same consistency as water. Okay, if it was a thicker liquid, it would maybe a little bit different. Okay. But it's 166 grams of milk or 166 millilitres, and we had 60 grams of Cheerios. Okay, and it's as simple as that. Alright, now let's imagine this was something else. Let's say this was a salad, okay, and we want to add a sauce to the salad. Okay, now you must remember that sauces have got a lot of calories in them sometimes, so don't forget to add all your sauce into MyFitnessPal. So what's the best way to add up your sauce? Well, obviously you could just zero the scale again, add in your sauce, and then just scan it into MyFitnessPal and put however much you had in. Okay, so if I put 20 grams of sauce on there, that would be 20 grams of sauce. Another thing you can do is you can turn your scale off. Okay, turn it back on. And what you can do is we're going to sit the sauce on the scale. Okay, it says 543 grams. Okay, so if I was to go ahead and put this sauce on my salad, okay, I'm obviously not going to put it on these Cheerios because that would be disgusting, but let's imagine we put it on. Okay, put the lid back on, put it back on the scale, and whatever the new amount was, let's say we had used, let's say it was 500 grams, so that would be 43 grams of sauce. Okay, and you can add that in. Okay, so really simple, guys. It's not hard, it's not complicated. As I say, I would recommend that you get some handy sized bowls, plastic bowls that fit on your digital scale well, and they're going to help you in your tracking journey. Alright, so that's it for now, guys.